Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, today is Monday. We are here at the airport again and bound for Italy with Yanni. He's sitting right there. And we will spend the rest of our vacation days in Italy. And stay tuned. Samahan nyo kami guys sa bakasyon namin in Italy and the whole vacation in Europe. So, are you excited? Let's go!
Welcome to Italy!
Yay! Hey guys! We're here at Bergamo City. And look at that, it's overlooking the city.
Beautiful view. Wow. How's your Italian? Ciao.
Ciao and grazie. Is that right?
Grazie.
Grazie. Grazie.
Oh.
By the way, we arrived safely from Vienna to Italy. So, yeah, enjoy the rest of our vacation days here. Yanni here. Hi. You guys, this is Bergamo overlooking the city. Bergamo. Wow. This is beautiful, refreshing up here. Top hill. Bergamo. Wanna try the Italian Speriano? Hi! Fabio and Yanni here, our very kind and gracious host. Okay guys, we're here at Bergamo Library and where you can find the oldest book in this library. Look at that.
Where are you right now, Mama Quatang?
Bergamo,
Downtown.
downtown.
Italy. Church of Bergamo.
Yeah, this is the Church of Bergamo. Good morning! It's our day to here in Bergamo City. Yeah, so it's breakfast time. We're staying in with Yanni and Fabio here.
Bright and sunny.
It's sunny. So, sausage. Yanni cooked our breakfast this morning.
Yes, Papa.
Okay, where are we going today, Dad?
Lake Como.
Where?
Como.
Lake Como. And Fabio is our official driver. And meet Fifi. Hi! Hey guys, good morning. After breakfast, nandito kami sa Lake Como.
Bellagio.
Bellagio.
Oh.
So we
Hello.
will spend the whole day here in Lake Como. Look at that.
Exploring.
So refreshing. This is beautiful. Lake Como. Hi, Papa. Yanni, say hi. Bellagio, Lake Como. Okay guys, we're now here at Lake Como. Look at the view, it's so amazing and beautiful. Lake Como in Italy, Bellagio. This is the taxi boat service in Lake Como, Italy. We have here bougainvillea, guys. And is this bougainvillea done?
No.
looks like the bougainvillea. Hi guys, we're just here, still in Como Lake, exploring. It's beautiful in here. Look at that stairs.
Nice look.
It's so delicious.
Wow.
pizza here for lunch. Yes, Yanni and Fabio here with us.
Prosciutto, arugula, mozzarella, and tomato.
Oh, wow.
Mozzarella cheese. There.
There you go. Okay, guys, we're having now our lunch in this pizzeria in Bellagio, Lake Como. Yeah, look at that.
And
then
look at the
we're-
view.
The view. And also, we are celebrating in advance for Yanni's birthday. Happy birthday! Guys, after lunch, we're having our coffee. So I ordered cappuccino and Papa Q ordered the cappuccino too. And Fabio, the espresso.